hear?
Hey. Someone leave a cage open at Turtleback Zoo? Sit down, for Christ's sake.
I want to talk to you about Beansie Gator.
You know, he may never walk again.
Never say never.
No. Say never. He's a shopping cart. From here on out.
Well, he gets home from rehab soon, the poor motherfucker. You should help him out.
Help him out.
You should build him a ramp on his house for the wheelchair.
You know, you make the place, whatchamacallit, handicap accessible.
Yeah, maybe when I'm over there, I could fuck his wife.
Come on, Richie. You're a fucking captain now. And I salute. So exert a little pressure. Call that nephew of yours, Vito, and the other one. They're in the building trades, aren't they?
Wait. Are you fucking serious?
Richie, it's a gesture. The man has a lot of friends.
You're out of your fucking minds.
Don't take that attitude, Richie.
Hey, you're gonna build Beansie a ramp.
I'll build a ramp up to your ass. Drive a Lionel up in there.
So what brings you to an English-speaking neighborhood?
Fucking Winghead came to see me.
Paulie.
Said I gotta build a fucking ramp on Beansie's house.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, this was your idea? Jesus Christ, Tony. Is this how you spend your time? Beansie Gator would still be selling nickel bags on Jefferson Avenue if it wasn't for Jackie.
Richie, build Beansie the ramp.
Can I help you?
Miss Gator, we're here to put in the ramp.
What ramp?
For your husband.
Are you from Rehab Outreach at St. Erasmus?
And we're also supposed to alter the toilets and widen the doorways and so on to make the house more wheelchair accessible.
Who sent you over here?
Richie Aprile.
Richie Aprile?
We should be done by the time Beansie's home from the hospital, Mrs. Gator.
Get out of here. I don't want anything to do with that man after what he did to Peter.
She's got her problems, but I'm not going to tell Richie this is not getting done.